Every organization needs to be thinking and planning for the post-COVID-19 world. A world where we rebuild in a new normal. Digitalization is the biggest driver of change. Leaders can look through the lenses of freedom, security, and touch to decide where to focus their digitalization efforts. The pandemic has imposed restrictions on our freedom. Workplaces have closed. Individuals have to work from home. Not only is the COVID-19 virus a threat to our health, it has brought new threats and security risks on different fronts. A higher cybersecurity and endpoint risk with many working from home. The security of an organization is also influenced by the health and well-being of its employees. In the post-pandemic world, physical touch is seen as unsafe. Organizations need to find ways to provide zero-touch or low-touch services to minimize the risk of infection. This requires a combination of technology as well as the reimagination of experience and service design. Through the lenses of freedom, security, and touch, we shine the light on key areas to lead organizations to reboot and thrive past COVID-19. To retain freedom, we have to provide individuals with more freedom of choice in consumption methods. Governments must break new grounds to harmonize data for efficient public services. Digital is no longer just an application, it has to be at the core of public services. Businesses must redesign the role of office premises and reconsider the source and location of the talents to prepare for future disruptions. To restore security, businesses need to expand security considerations beyond the enterprise IT environment. Ensure their employees stay safe and well through continuous engagement. The operating model of an organization must also be secure and robust to ensure consistency of service levels. To rebalance touch, organizations have to leverage digital at its core and consider the whole spectrum of touch when redesigning services. Businesses can adopt a hybrid combination of interactions from high touch to low touch and even no touch. Governments need to redesign services to ensure accessibility and inclusiveness to support diverse communities. To succeed in the post-pandemic world, we must retain newfound freedoms, restore security we had cast aside before, and rebalance touch to maintain the human connection to know and serve our customers better.